Hello, Claudia. It's Kat, your beloved roommate. I'm finally getting around to making this. I tried the other day, but I ended up getting a phone call right as I was gonna record this from a lady at my dad's work saying that, hey, my dad's sick, he's vomiting. I don't think it's safe for him to drive home, so I had to drive him home. It was fun. I had to wake up early the next day to drive him to work because his work car was at work still. It's fun. Yeah. I look like a mess. I looked nicer when I tried to record it before, but it didn't work. So now I'm not looking nice. I can't find my hairbrush, so yeah. Got a cold sore. Glasses are crooked. Getting new glasses. Getting hipster glasses. They should be coming in on Thursday. Yeah. That's gonna be fun. The Christmas tree. I decorated it myself. It's very sparsely decorated because my sister didn't help me. Here are my presents. The small box is chocolate. It smells like chocolate. The big box, probably fruit. Stocking, empty. That's okay. I have an iPhone. Kitty cat. He's not happy because I just woke him up from a nap. Hi, hi, hi. He's unamused. Look at the kitty cat. That's where the jamming happens. Look at all that music. iPhone on the bench. Yeah. That's my clavichord. Looks like a coffee table, but it indeed is a clavichord. Musical instrument under there somewhere. And I feel like I had stories to tell. I don't think I have anything else to tell you. I've been pretty much a bum all break. Haven't really done anything. I visited, went to ensemble, had to leave early to drive my dad to work. Yeah, I really didn't do anything. Haven't hung out with anyone. Went to the choir concert. It's the first thing I actually did that was involving leaving the house besides like doing grocery shopping. Which I did. There's food in the house now. I got gummy vitamins. They're like $20 to buy a thing of gummy vitamins. That's like ridiculous. I don't understand. I bought them though. Because there was like a gazillion of them there. Yeah. Well, that's enough for now. Say goodbye to the critter. Kitty. He's licking himself. Headless kitty. Christmas tree.